Okay guys, so this union video tutorial is for those that are trying to complete their Holesky, Babylon and Sepolia testnet interaction on union, or maybe you're just joining fresh, right? So let me quickly just show you guys how this is done, and don't worry about the links, it's going to be in the description, right? So let's start quickly with the present one, which is the newly added chain, which is the Holesky, right? So if you check you can see on to like 5 different chains, right? So I currently, with my experience, the fastest chain currently is all this Xion Xion to Holesky works fast, like very fast, and you can say I have different testnet token here, right? So briefly, let me just select this and I'll show you how to get that. So let's do 0.1. Okay, so compared to the previous version, which was 9, this is a bit faster, right? So yeah, let's just click on that and the transaction will go through like very quickly, right? So let me see. Yeah, I'm trying to time it. Let's see how fast this goes through. So I think it takes about 20 seconds compared to the previous version, that looks a bit difficult. Okay, so you see that was fast, right? So that's one transaction, and if you check here, you will see that I've completed most of my interactions on the version 9, right? I didn't do version 8, so that is that. So let's see. This is how to get the faucet. Yeah, this is the website to the faucet. I'm going to drop the link also. So I can't claim currently because I claimed few hours ago, but if you want to claim, this is what you're just going to do. You paste your wallet address right here, and you select the coin you want. So select this first because this is what you will need for your gas fee. Then you can always come back to claim USDC, right? So you might be wondering how you're going to get your wallet address. So this is what you need to connect. Let me just show you guys what you need to connect. So the connected wallets are your EVM wallet and then your Keplr, which is Cosmos wallet, right? So you can see this is the chain, and if I'm doing it to a different destination, it's going to change to my Cosmos, right? So what you do is, if you want to get your wallet address, okay, let me change this to Babylon, right? If you want to get your wallet address for this Xion whatever, just click on this wallet address right here. Okay, so you can see, and you can easily just copy your wallet address. Okay, so you copy it and you take it here and then you paste it and then you collect your faucet and then you start pushing transactions, and when you get to like 250 transactions and 500 transactions, you have up to, you can see this is Holesky and this is 40 XP, right? And for Babylon, you repeat the same thing, 40 XP, right? And if you use 6 different chains, let me see, I think that should be 5 XP. If you make use of, yeah, you can see this. If you perform one transaction on Holesky, you're going to get 5 XP instantly. So just try and push as many as possible. And I'm coming, let me try and look for this. And then you can see all these ones are testnets 8. I did not participate in that, and this is one thing I would like you guys to do. Okay, so you can see my level and my XP, right? And if you interact with Sepolia for 25 days, you are getting 20 XP instantly, right? So let me show you what that means. So Sepolia and just pick any coin. Virtually everything works. Okay, so let me choose this and then let me just drop it. Yeah, okay, yeah. So no, I don't want to do EVM to EVM. Let's do another chain, 0.1. Yeah, so transfer. So the previous transaction we did was on Cosmos, right, which is Keplr wallet, and this one is gonna happen on Ethereum wallet now. So I'm making use of my Sepolia, and you can get Sepolia from Google, faucet, different places like that. It's very much more available everywhere, and maybe I will just drop the description to where you can get some of these faucets, and just make sure you do multiple transactions and rank up, get XPs, and claim rules for your Discord, connected X, and Yeah, you can see that was kind of fast, right? So this is what we are trying to achieve. So at the end of your transactions, you should have completed like this. Okay, so it will get to a point where you interact and you get, okay, you can see this Babylon, right? I interacted on Babylon for 15 days and I did not keep the streak. It just has to be 15 days. It doesn't have to be like non-stop, right? But make sure you do it like every day. So for 15 days, you get 50 XP straight up, right? And you can see everything right here. So yeah, I would just suggest you guys to jump on this. And TGE might just be near because this version 2 is already also available on mainnet. You can bridge to Ethereum to BTC now. So the only difficult testnet to get right now is this con, right? And I think I have a link, so I'm going to drop that as well in the description. But you have to log in with your GitHub account, right? And then paste your wallet. Then you're going to get like very little amounts, and you do your transaction with it. So I exhausted all my coin here, so I'm waiting for the stuffs to drop again so I can start sending more transactions, right? So basically this is just what you do on Union, right? And then you go on X and yap about it, and then you just never can tell what will happen. So guys, I hope this helps. Thank you for staying by. See you in the next video. Make sure you subscribe and like. Thank you.